Module 4.2, Day 1, Adding Polynomial Expression. Content Standard. Understand that polynomials form a system analog to the integers. Namely, they are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Language objective. Student will explain to a partner how to add two polynomial expressions. Okay. Explain 1. Adding polynomials using a vertical format. To add polynomial vertically, add the like terms in columns. Write the first polynomial in standard form, then write the second polynomial below the first, aligning like terms. Use a monomial with a zero coefficient as a placeholder for the missing term. Add the coefficient for each group and write the sum aligned with the like terms above. Simplify if necessary. Right, so let's go to our example B. So we have a 3y cubed plus 2y plus 1 and y squared minus 1. Okay, so first write the first polynomial in standard form. So we have a 3y cubed plus 0y squared plus 2y plus 1. And now the second term, so this is 2y squared plus a 0y minus 1. And then now we can combine these two. So this is 3y to the third power plus 2y squared plus 2y, and 1 minus 1 gives us a 0. Right, so we might not have to write a 0, so the answer could be 3y to the third plus 2y squared plus 2y. Okay, so let's go on to some more example. Right, so this one we only got to do this on your own. So for number 3, we have a negative x squared minus 1 and a 4x squared minus 1. Right, so we want you to use the vertical format. So let me I'll rewrite this. So now we can combine like terms. So this gives us a 3x squared minus an x minus 1. Okay. And then for number 4, same thing. The first polynomial, write it in a standard form. Okay, so then combine like terms, so they give us a 1z to the third power minus, there should be a square here that I missed, so minus a z squared plus a 0 minus 1. So then this can be written as r z to the third power minus z squared minus 1. Right, and then for number 5, we have a x minus 1, 4x minus 6, so this gives us a 5x minus 10. Right, so for this example 2, adding polynomial using a horizontal format. To add polynomial horizontally, combine like terms. Use the associative and commutative properties to regroup. Place all like terms within the same parenthesis. Combine like term by adding their coefficient. Simplify if necessary. So example 2a. Right, so then these are the same, so we can combine them. So it's 5x squared minus 4x squared, and then this gives us a 2x minus x. The last one will be 1 minus 2. So then this gives us a 1x squared, a positive x, and a minus 1. right? Okay. And then for part B, we can combine these two, so that gives us a 0. And send these two, we have nothing in common, so it will be a positive b minus a. So the answer will be b minus a. Right, so let's try this. So for number 6, we have used the horizontal format to find the sum. So instead of using the parentheses, I like to use this to show that these two are like terms, so we can combine those. So this gives us a negative 10x squared plus 2. Okay, and then we can use these two. Right? So this gives us a negative 5x cubed plus x plus y plus 2. Remember that, always write them in standard form. And then these two can be combined, and these two can be combined. So to give us 4y plus 11. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so then for number 1 through 6, these are using the vertical format. Okay, so make sure that you switch these two. Right, so please check your answer for number 1 through 6. Okay, so for number 8, now adding the polynomial expression using the horizontal format. Right? So I like this way better than writing the parentheses. So here you can see your like terms. Right? So this gives us a 5y squared plus a 1y plus a 12. Okay, so continue with number 8 to 12, and I'll give you the answer as you work along. Let me change this to a cube. Okay, so please check your answer for number 7 through 12. Right, so that's the end of our notes for Module 4.2 Day 1. For your assignment, you have your book set, and you have your HRW for 4.2. Also, please copy down note for 4.2 Day 2.